So much food, fruits. Wow. Okay. Oh, look at this. Gimbal ES DAWET. Gimbal Puller Ibu. Alright, let's see here. Let's maybe get some ES DAWET. Apa ini?
Dawet original.
Oh, dawet original.
Cendol.
Saya mau satu. Seberapa harga?
10.000 saja.
10.000 saja.
Iya.
Apa ini? Like coconut? Apa?
Ini ya.
Ini ya, yes. Let's try some nasi. Oh, ES DAWET. Whoa, pie kabari.
Es.
Yeah, sure. ES. Wow, what's she doing? Wow, very good.
Oke, silakan.
Thanks, makasih.
Oke, duduk dulu.
Oh.
Duduk.
Wow, let's try. And so we got the traditional ES DAWET here in Pasar Gede. So let's try this. Apa di sini apa ini? Is this like a coconut? Apa? Cendol.
Iya. Telasi.
Apa? Okay.
Pokokan telasi.
And then
Gula.
Oh, gula. Nice. And apa ini? Ketan
hitam.
Apa ketan?
Black apa?
Oh, black rice. Oh, all right, guys. Let's try this.
Ini belum. Hello.
Oh, nice.
Rice.
Yogurt. Apa
yan? Jenang susun.
Oh, it's rice more.
Manis.
It's manis. So siapa namamu?
Namaku Nur.
Oh, senang bertemu dengan Anda, Nur. All right, let's try this and see how it tastes.
Ini Mbak Yanti.
Auntie. Tante.
Ini Mbak Rama.
Oh, Bibi.
Ini Bu Menteri.
Sebenarnya.
Bu Sri Mulyani.
Oh, Putri Mulyani.
Yang punya.
Senang bertemu dengan Anda. Alright, guys.
Ini Mbak Kres dulu, Mbak Kres.
Oh, hello. Apa kabar? Alright, let's try this and see how it tastes. This is ES DAWET in Pasar Gede. Alright, let's see. Whoa, look at this, guys.
Whoa. Hello, Mister. Itu Mbak Mur.
Itu Pak Mu.
Mbak Mur.
Hello, Mbak Mu. Mbak Mu. Alright, let's see how this tastes, guys. Check this out. There's so much rice. I guess this is like yogurt and different kinds of things in here, like jelly. Alright, so let's see how this tastes. Oh, enak tenan.
Enak tenan. Oke.
Ya, banget. Enak banget tenan.
Enak banget tenan.
Wow. Semata nun. Oh, enak banget. Wow, this is really good. I'm just going to down this.
Ibu, minum sini.
So the taste of this, it tastes like cereal or something, and kind of like a hollow from the Philippines almost. It tastes really good. Incredible, guys. It's got the rice, it's got different things in it. In the ES DAWET, incredible. And it's only 10,000 rupiah, which is 10. Berapa harga? 10.000. Thanks. Makasih Ibu.